Part 2. Imagine the scenario. So I'm a borrower and you're trying to offer me an adjustable rate mortgage of some kind. And the first thing I'm going to ask is, oh my gosh, wait a minute. What if the rates go up? Well, where's my protection? And what keeps the rate from being a 25% interest rate or whatever? So first off, every adjustable rate mortgage is going to have caps. All caps is a bracket that prevents the rate from changing more than a certain amount. Now, there are two types of ARMs. There's true ARMs, which again could be a 1-month ARM, a 12-month ARM, whatever, right? That's a true ARM. From day one, there's an adjustment period and it's going to change. There's also a hybrid ARM. A hybrid ARM is fixed for a period of time before it starts to adjust. And you've heard of those. You've heard of a 3-1 ARM. 3 years fixed. After that, after the first 3 years, it's going to adjust on a 12-month basis. That's the 1. 3-1. 3 stands for the fixed period. 1 stands for it's a 12-month ARM. It could be a 3-6 ARM. Guess what? Every 6 months, it's going to adjust after the first 3 years. So the standard hybrid ARM periods are 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, and 10 years. Okay? So it could be fixed for a period of 10 years, fixed for a period of 3 years, and so on. So once you have, I'm looking for a piece of paper here. I want to write that down and just show you. So it would be written like this. I don't know if you can see that. Fixed period, adjustment term. That's a 5-1 ARM, okay? So once it starts adjusting, now that's when the caps come into play. And so caps are typically going to be presented like this. This is the initial cap. So if it's a 5-1 ARM, if it's this 5-1 ARM, after the first 5 years, the initial adjustment is a maximum of 2 points. 2 points up or 2 points down. Periodic cap. If it's a 5-1 ARM, when the 1 year adjustment starts for the life of the loan now, if it's a 5-1 ARM, that means the first 5 years are fixed. And the remaining 25 years, it's an adjustable rate mortgage. Now it works like a regular adjustable rate mortgage, and this is the cap. It can only each year move 1 point. And then there's a lifetime cap. The lifetime cap means over the life of the loan, it can never move more than a total of 6% from the start rate. So in other words, the start rate might be, let's just say the start rate is 6%. You start at 6%. The first adjustment could be a total of 2%. And then each periodic adjustment after that could be 1 each year. It could move 1 point. But the life of the loan, if I started with a 6% rate, the life of the loan could never be more than 12% because of the lifetime cap. Okay? So those are your caps. You're going to see a initial cap, that's the first adjustment. Periodic cap, that's each adjustment after the first one. And a lifetime cap, and that's the maximum that it can ever change.